Hello everyone, welcome to Kids English Adventure. Today we're going to learn shapes in English. Are you ready? Let's get started. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Star. Star. Heart. Heart. Diamond. Diamond. Great job, everyone! You learned so many shapes today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Kids English Adventure for more fun lessons. See you next time!